Okay, so we are here with an older Whirlpool 5000 BTU window air conditioner made by Whirlpool. And this was a trash find, and it does work. It is cooling. So we're going to take it apart and clean it and get it in the window since it's starting to get pretty warm already. Okay, so we have the cover taken off, and it's actually not in very bad shape, considering most of the units that I've picked up, the entire condenser shroud has been rusted away. I mean, they still work, but this one's physically in a lot better condition. Motor spins nice and free. As we can see, the condenser's pretty clogged up. And yes, it's very windy outside today. And the fan has a lot of gunk in it too. So we'll get the hose out, get everything nice and hosed out and sprayed down with some disinfectant cleaner, and get it all put back together. And one thing that I found interesting to notice is where they had put the service paper. Why they would have stuck it in there and not say, well, this side here is open to the outside. It's not closed in like most air conditioners are. So I guess that was about the only place they could be put, but it would get wet from the condensation dripping off of the condenser there. We have tech sheet. So, okay, let's get this thing cleaned up. Okay, now I've blasted out most of the crud with just the hose here, and I've soaked all the interior parts with a foaming disinfectant cleaner, and we're going to let that soak for a little bit, and that'll get everything nice and clean. And as you can see, a little bit of dirt is coming off with the foam there, and we soaked that insulation piece and the two front grills too. The filter, I'm not even worried about the filter because I've got a new filter inside. Okay, so now that it's all cleaned off, and as we can see that while the styrofoam still looks like it's dirty, but it's kind of like a variegated gray. It's not actually white. It's like this all the way through. But we'll tip it forward here to drain off the water completely out of it. Then we'll flip it right side up and let it sit for a while before we try it out again. Okay, so we've got it somewhat back together and dried off. So let's try, see if it works. We'll first turn on the fan to make sure that the motor works and dry it out a little bit more. Yeah, it's working good. Let's see if it picks on the pool. Oh, it's got to set for a little bit more because of the oil in the compressor there. But we'll try it out in a little bit and see if it works. Okay, well, it's on, it's working, it's cooling. You can see the coils are getting a little bit damp from condensation. So we will finish putting it back together and get it inside. Okay, well, it's in and it's working. So there we go. Whirlpool 5000 BTU window air conditioner. Trash fine, it's a perfectly working unit.